Good morning, students of class 3. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book and your English notebook, as I'll be continuing with lesson 8, Ace Swimmer Mihir Singh. Students, please take out your English notebooks and your Wordsworth English Reader book and turn your Wordsworth English Reader book to page number 72, as I'll be continuing with lesson 8, Ace Swimmer Mihir Singh. Students, in my last video, I had read this lesson to you and written all the wow words that are the new words of the lesson 8, that is Ace Swimmer Mihir Singh. I had explained them also. And today, first of all, I'm going to read this lesson to you, and then I'm going to write all the word meanings of this lesson. After the word meanings, I'll start with the explanation of the lesson so that it becomes easier for you to understand when you come across the new words in this lesson. Fine? So, please listen to me carefully as I read the lesson 8, that is Ace Swimmer Mihir Singh. So all of you please turn your Wordsworth English Reader book to page number 72 and listen to me as I read this lesson. Mihir Singh, the ace swimming champion, in fact, did not know how to swim till he was 22 years of age. Until this age, he had only dog paddle. Mihir was born on 16th November 1930 in Purulia district in West Bengal. He became a lawyer and worked as a barrister at the Kolkata High Court. However, he wanted to do something more with his life. So he travelled to England. There he worked as a railway porter, after which he got a job at the Indian High Commission's office. It was here that Mihir Singh developed a love for swimming. He joined a local club and for 3 years he went through rigorous training. Finally, on 27 September 1958, he became the first Asian to swim across the English Channel in 14 hours and 45 minutes. The English Channel divides the island of Great Britain from northern France and links the North Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. Sen was awarded the Padma Shri in 1959 for being the first Asian to swim across the English Channel. The year 1966 was a momentous year for Sen. He swam across the 7 seas of the 5 continents in 1 year. In the month of April, he swam across the Park Strait, the sea between India and Sri Lanka. This was indeed daring, as the water of the Park Strait was shark infested. In the month of August, he swam across the Strait of Gibraltar between Europe and Africa. In September, he became the world's first man to swim across the hazardous Strait of Dardanelles in Turkey. In the same month, he swam across the Bosphorus, also in Turkey, in only 4 hours. Then he swam the 85 kilometers long Panama Canal in 34 hours and set a world record. Thus, Sen set up 5 world records as he swam the 7 seas, for which he was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1966. Mihir Sen's noteworthy achievements earned him a place in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's greatest long-distance swimmer. Sen opened the doors for many Indian swimmers to excel in long-distance swimming. However, his daring achievements remain unmatched. He always believed that a country is measured only by the deeds and achievements of its people. Mihir Sen was the president of the Explorers Club of India and passed away in 1997 at the age of 67. So students, I have read this lesson for you. Now I am going to write the word meanings of this lesson. There are 19 word meanings of this lesson. We have already done the wow words and I am sure all of you must have written the wow words in your English notebook. Now, below the wow words, please draw a parting line and start writing the word meanings. Fine. So, the word meanings of lesson 8, that is ace swimmer Mihir Sen. And please write neatly, children. Now, students, the first word is champion. And the meaning of champion is prize winner. Students, champion means prize winner. चैंपियन प्राइज विनर है ना, जिसको प्राइज जो जीतता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? चैंपियन. सो चैंपियन मीन्स प्राइज विनर. चैंपियन प्राइज विनर. देन द सेकेंड वर्ड इज achievements. Achievements means victories and success. लाइफ में जितनी भी जीत हो, है ना, जीत को विक्ट्रीज बोलते हैं और जितनी भी सफलता मिले वो सब हमारे अचीवमेंट्स हैं. सो अचीवमेंट्स मीन्स victories and success. Achievements, victories and success. Achievements, victories and success. Then the third word is remarkable. R-E-M-A-R-K-A-B-L-E. Remarkable means extraordinary, जो बहुत हटके हो. extraordinary, नॉर्मल नहीं हो, जो सबसे अलग हो, ऑर्डिनरी से भी एक्स्ट्रा हो, दैट इज रिमार्केबल. सो रिमार्केबल मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी. ऑर्डिनरी तो जो सब लोग करते हैं एंड एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी जो सबसे हटके काम करता है वो रिमार्केबल है ना, और उसका काम सबको नोटिस में भी आता है. देन द फोर्थ word is conqueror. C-O-N-Q-U-E-R-O-R. Conqueror means winner. जो जीतने वाला है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Conqueror. So conqueror, winner. Conqueror means winner. Then the fifth word is ace. A-C-E, ace. Actually, the meaning of ace is excellent. Ace का meaning क्या होता है बेटा? Excellent, है ना? Expert. So, one who excels in a particular sport, किसी गेम में जो बहुत अच्छा खेलता हो, एक्सपर्ट हो किसी स्पोर्ट का, उसको एस बोलते हैं, है ना. इन अ पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपर्ट, एंड एक्सपर्ट, EXPERT, जो किसी पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट में एक्सपर्ट हो, बहुत अच्छा खेलता हो, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, एस. फाइन. So I have written the 5 word meanings. I'll revise them once again and then I'm going to erase it. Fine. So please write correctly and quickly. Fine. Ensure that your spellings are all correct. The first word is champion, and champion means prize winner. Then the second word is achievements. Achievements means victories and success. Achievements means victories and success. Then the third word is remarkable. Remarkable means extraordinary. Remarkable, extraordinary. Then the fourth word is conqueror, and conqueror means winner. Conqueror, winner. Then the fifth word is ace, and ace means one who excels in a particular sport and expert, जो किसी एक स्पोर्ट में एक्सपर्ट हो, है ना, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपर्ट हो, एक्सेल करता हो, एक्सीलेंट खेलता हो वो स्पोर्ट, उसको एस बोलते हैं. So students, now I'm going to erase these 5 word meanings and write the 6th one. Fine. Now the 6th one. 6th one is dog paddle. PADDLED. Dog paddle. Dog paddle means to float in water, moving about the hands and legs. Now, dog paddle means to float in water, moving about the hands and legs, है ना, कि डॉग पैडल आपने देखा है, कोई भी डॉग अगर उसको पानी में अपने स्विम करता है, बस वो ऐसे 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 अपने हाथ पांव मार के एंड देन ही क्रॉसेस द रिवर. सो दैट इज डॉग पैडलिंग. जब शुरू में किसी को भी स्विमिंग नहीं आती, उसको पानी में डाल दो तो वो अपने हाथ पांव ऐसे ऐसे मारेगा सो दैट ही डजंट सिंक इन द water. So that is known as dog paddle. So dog paddle means to float in water, moving about the hands and legs. Then the 7th word, children, is barrister. And barrister means lawyer. Barrister, lawyer. बैरिस्टर, लॉयर, जो वकील होते हैं उनको बैरिस्टर भी बोलते हैं बेटा, और लॉयर भी बोलते हैं. देन द 8th वर्ड इज पोर्टर. पोर्टर, आपने रेलवे स्टेशन पे कुली देखा है ना, आपका हैवी लगेज जो ढोता है कंधों पे सिर के, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, कुली को पोर्टर. फाइन. सो अ पर्सन employed to carry luggage to carry luggage and other loads. जो सामान और लोड ढोते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? पोर्टर. सो पोर्टर, a person employed to carry luggage and other loads. Then the ninth word is rigorous. R-I-G-O-R-O-U-S. R-I-G-O-R-O-U-S, rigorous. Rigorous means very tough, बहुत जो डिफिकल्ट हो, एंड जिसमें बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट आपके इंस्ट्रक्टर्स हो, दैट इज रिगरस. जैसे आर्मी की ट्रेनिंग होती है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट होती है और बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिन में वो ट्रेनिंग होती है, तो दैट इज रिगरस. Rigorous means very tough and strict. Fine. So now let's revise these 4 word meaning, students. Then I'll erase them and write the remaining word meaning. The 6th word is dog paddled. Dog paddle means to float in water, moving about the hands and legs. Then the 7th word is barrister, and barrister means lawyer. Then the 8th word is porter. Porter, a person employed to carry luggage and other loads. Then the 9th word is rigorous. Rigorous means very tough and strict. Rigorous, very tough and strict. So students, now I'm going to erase these word meanings and write the remaining. I hope all of you have written. Now, the 10th word is links. Links means to connect. Links connects. Links means connect, है ना? कोई भी दो चीजों को, कोई भी जब चीज कोई जोड़ती है तो उसको हम लिंक्स बोलते हैं, कनेक्ट बोलते हैं, है ना? जैसे नदी के दो किनारों को एक ब्रिज कैसे जोड़ता है आपस में, तो वो ब्रिज क्या करता है? कनेक्ट करता है ना? तो कोई भी दो चीजों को कनेक्ट करना, है ना, उसको हम लिंक्स बोलते हैं. फाइन. सो लिंक्स मीन्स कनेक्ट. देन द 11th word is momentous. M-O-M-E-N-T-O-U-S. Momentous. And momentous means important. Momentous, important. जो बहुत जरूरी हो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मोमेंटस. M-O-M-E-N-T-O-U-S. momentous. Momentous means important. Then the 12th word is straight. S-T-R-A-I-T. straight. And straight means narrow, passage of water connecting two seas. What is straight, students? A narrow passage of water connecting two seas. बेटा दो समुद्र हैं साइड में, और बड़े बड़े दो सी हैं, एक सी ये एक सी है, फाइन। आप ऐसे समझो, एक ये सी है और एक ये सी है, ठीक है, ये दो, और ये बीच में से जो पैसेज है दो सी को जो आपस में कनेक्ट कर रहा है ना, तो जो नैरो पैसेज जो दो सी, एक ये सी है, दिस इज अ डिफरेंट सी एंड दिस इज अ डिफरेंट सी, और बीच में एक पैसेज दो सीज को कनेक्ट कर रहा है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, स्ट्रेट, STRAIT, स्ट्रेट। ये जो बीच का पैसेज है नैरो है ना, जो दो सी को आपस में जोड़ रहा है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, स्ट्रेट, फाइन। सो ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज ओपन योर बुक्स टू पेज नंबर 73। पेज नंबर 73 में आप देख सकते हो, है ना, ये बीच का जो स्पेस आपको दिख रहा है दो सीज को कनेक्ट कर रहा है ना, एक सी इधर है एक सी, ये जो बीच का नैरो पैसेज है, दिस इज स्ट्रेट, फाइन। तो सबको अभी स्ट्रेट का मीनिंग समझ में आया, ओके। नाउ द 13th word is daring, and daring means brave, जो बहुत ब्रेव हो, जिसको किसी से डर नहीं लगे, जिसके अंदर बहुत हिम्मत हो, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, डेयरिंग। सो डेयरिंग मीन्स ब्रेव, डेयरिंग brave, daring, brave. Now, I'll revise these 10 to 13 word meanings, then I'm going to erase them and write the remaining. The 10th word is links. Links means connect. कोई भी चीज को जोड़ने को क्या बोलते हैं, लिंक करना. Then the 11th word is momentous. Momentous means important. The 12th word is straight. Straight means a narrow passage of water connecting two seas. Then the 13th word is daring, and daring means brave. Daring means brave. So students, now I'm going to erase these word meanings and write the 14th one. The 14th word, children, is shark infested. Shark infested means filled with lot of sharks. वो सी का पानी जिसमें बहुत सारी शार्क्स, मछलियां हो। और सबको पता है ना कि शार्क्स बहुत डेडली फिश होती है जो ह्यूमंस को अटैक करके खा जाती है। यू मस्ट हैव सीन दी मूवीज ऑन शार्क, जॉज, है ना, आप जॉज मूवीज का नाम है वो शार्क, अगर आपको देखनी है तो वॉच दी मूवीज जॉज, उसमें आपको शार्क फिश दिखेगी एंड देन यू कम टू नो दैट हाउ डेंजरस शार्क्स आर। और वो सी का पानी जिसमें पूरी शार्क्स भरी है, फिल्ड विथ लॉट ऑफ शार्क्स, filled with lot of sharks. Then the 15th word is hazardous. Hazardous means dangerous. Hazardous, dangerous, जिसको हम हिंदी में खतरनाक बोलते हैं। Hazardous, dangerous. Hazardous का मतलब क्या है बेटा? Dangerous. Then the 16th word is noteworthy. Noteworthy means extraordinary and worth mentioning, है ना, जो ऑर्डिनरी से भी हट के एक्स्ट्रा हो, और जिसके बारे में सब लोगों को बताया जाए, तो दैट इज नोन एज नोटवर्दी। एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी अनवर्थ मेंशनिंग, मतलब जिसने इतने बड़े काम किए कि उनके बारे में दूसरों को बताया जाए, तो दैट इज एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी अनवर्थ मेंशनिंग. So noteworthy means extraordinary and worth mentioning. Then the 17th word is excel. किसी भी काम में बहुत अच्छा करने को बोलते हैं excel, which means to do very well. Excel means to do very well, है ना. कोई भी फील्ड हो जिसमें कोई बहुत अच्छा करता है तो that is known as excel. Excel means to do very well. Then the 18th word is unmatched. जो मतलब किसी से जिसका मुकाबला ही नहीं हो, है ना, जिसका किसी से मुकाबला ही नहीं हो सके उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Unmatched. That means unique, है ना, जिसका किसी से कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं हो, है ना, जो इतना अच्छा हो, खुद में इतना अच्छा हो कि उसका किसी और से कंपैरिजन ही नहीं हो, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? अनमैच्ड, यूनिक, है ना, यूनिक, जिसके जैसा दूसरा कोई हो ही नहीं सकता है. वो स्किल्स जो किसी दूसरे के पास नहीं हो, जिसका किसी दूसरे से मुकाबला ना हो, उसको क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? अनमैच्ड. Then the 19th word is deeds, and deeds means actions. जो भी एक्शन, जो भी हम काम करते हैं वो हमारे डीड्स हैं. इसीलिए कहते हैं ना कि अच्छा काम करोगे, अच्छी डीड्स होंगी तो अच्छा फल मिलेगा, और बुरा काम करोगे तो बुरा फल मिलेगा. तो ये जो हम काम करते हैं, है ना, जो भी हम काम करते हैं तो वो हमारे क्या है? डीड्स हैं, एक्शंस हैं. फाइन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव रिटन all the 19 word meanings, and please complete these word meanings in your English notebook and learn the meanings also. Fine. Now I'm going to revise these word meanings. Students, the first word is champion, and champion means prize winner. Champion, prize winner. Then the second word is achievements. Achievements means victories and success. Achievements, victories and success. Then the third word is remarkable. Remarkable means extraordinary. Remarkable, extraordinary. Then the fourth word is conqueror, and conqueror means winner. Conqueror, winner. Conqueror, winner. Then the fifth word is ace, and ace means one who excels in a particular sport, an expert. Ace, one who excels in a particular sport, an expert. Then the sixth word is dog paddle, and dog paddle means to float in water, moving about the heads and legs. Dog paddle means to float in water, moving about hands and legs. Then the seventh word is barrister. Barrister means lawyer, wakil, है ना, barrister, lawyer. Then the eighth word is porter. जो कुली होता है उसको porter बोलते हैं. A person employed to carry luggage and other loads. Porter, a person employed to carry luggage and other loads. Ninth word is rigorous. Rigorous means very tough and strict. Rigorous, very tough and strict. The 10th word is links. Links means connects. The 10th word is links, and links means connect. The 11th word is momentous. Momentous means important. Momentous, important. The 12th word is strait, and strait means a narrow passage of water connecting to seas. A narrow passage of water connecting to seas. Then the 13th word is daring, and daring means brave. Then the 14th word is shark infested, which means filled with lot of sharks. Shark infested, filled with lot of sharks. Then the 15th word is hazardous. Hazardous means dangerous. Hazardous, dangerous. Then the 16th word is noteworthy, which means extraordinary and worth mentioning. Noteworthy, extraordinary and worth mentioning. Noteworthy, extraordinary and worth mentioning. Then the 17th word is excel. Excel means to do very well. Excel, to do very well. Then the 18th word is unmatched. Unmatched means unique. Unmatched, unique. Then the 19th word is deeds. Deed means actions. Deed means action. So students, with the word meanings, I have finished today's video. That's all for today, children. Please write these word meanings, these 19 word meanings in your notebook. Please do learn them and do read the lesson 2 times so that when I start explaining the lesson and solving the exercise, it will be easier for to understand. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.